Hello, my name is Masudi. I'm an entrepreneurial strategist here to talk to you about digital marketing. So what is digital marketing? Digital marketing is the act of using the internet or an online environment to deliver your marketing message. Now let me define marketing for you. Marketing itself is the act or process of bringing awareness and knowledge about a product, a service, a location, or an individual. Now marketing has been around for some time. Well, since the beginning. For as long as people have been trying to get other people to buy something, do something, influence them in a certain direction, marketing has been present. So let's define digital marketing again. Digital marketing is the act of using the internet to bring awareness of goods and services to individuals, as well as to businesses and organizations, to influence them to a call to action or to do something. Now, this even means for nonprofit organizations. If you're a nonprofit organization, sometimes you want to get people to maybe donate money or donate a canned good. Now, when we're talking about digital marketing environments and digital marketing platforms, we're talking about the use of mobile devices, tablets, email, social media platforms. Technically, if you're seeing this video, then this could be, in a sense, digital marketing. Except my goal is just to bring information to you. Now, in the last 10 years, with the increasing use of the internet marketing or digital marketing has increased in its popularity of use. These trends have included the increase in companies and organizations transitioning from their websites to social media environments. Now, having a website became the standard a few years back compared to present day, where businesses and organizations, whether they're for-profit or nonprofit, are wanting to create their own social media pages and sometimes their own social media environments. However, I personally believe having your own website is still just as important. Now, I discuss this in more detail in my online course, The Blueprint to Starting a Business, using the AITE method. However, in short, if one of these social media environments disappear, what are you going to do? Hopefully, you're keeping track of your visitors, your clients, their contact information, and your customers in an offline environment. These social media environments include things like Facebook and Instagram, and Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, and so many others. However, the challenge is that new social media environments are always being created. Now, as a business owner or an individual or even a nonprofit organization, you must ask yourself, do you even have the ability or the skill set or the bandwidth or the staff to monitor every single social media environment? It can be challenging, especially if you're a solopreneur. It's completely understandable that individuals and businesses also tend to want to increase their position in doing what they feel they need, or rather what they feel they need to create a digital marketing presence on these newer sites. Sites like Snapchat, which came out in like July 2011. According to Statistica, has between 2014 and today have approximately 249 million active users. And most recently, TikTok, which was released in 2016. Now, according to CNBC, TikTok has reached 100 million active monthly users. Now, CNBC and both Statistica believe that TikTok is doing well. And I would have to say, throw my hand in the mix. I agree as well. Now, here's some stats for you. Now, don't fall asleep. TikTok currently has over 20 million downloads on the Google Play platform. They also have 6.48 million TikTok downloads from the Apple Store. Why is this important? Well, here we talk business and entrepreneurship, but part of those subject matters is money. According to Statistica, during the month of February last year, 2020, users all around the globe spent over $50 million in 1 month. Digital marketing is important, and it can be profitable. The $50 million spent by users globally should be a trigger that maybe TikTok could be a platform you may want to start looking into creating or increasing your digital marketing presence. Now, I don't have any stock in TikTok. I'm just kind of using them as an example. But one thing I will say, and experts also say, that if you're going to venture into the social media platform, pick one platform, get good at that one, then transition to the others. By now, I believe you should have a better understanding of digital marketing. Now let's take it a little bit further. Let me give you some examples of digital marketing. Websites, email marketing or automation or email blast, podcasting, webinars, blogging. Now you can use blogging as part of a digital marketing campaign, but we can get into digital marketing campaigns later. Search engine optimization, social media marketing. These are all different kinds of digital marketing. Now let me address something about content marketing. Now I've seen this question a few times from people, so I want to explain it clearly. There is a difference between content marketing and digital marketing. Now, content marketing is an approach that deals with the developing and distributing information, or to use the word distribute, content that is of interest to an audience, whether it is useful, educational, or entertaining. Think of content marketing as a type of marketing. You have marketing up top, then you have digital marketing, and which is a type of marketing in itself. And then you have content marketing, which is a type of digital marketing. Examples of content marketing are Facebook post, podcast, when you post a video on YouTube, that is a type of content marketing. Now, hashtags are a type of content marketing. It also uses to help draw attention to a specific type of content. If you're not using hashtags, you may want to look into that. Now, before I get into the last piece, let me know what else you may be interested in seeing when it comes to digital marketing. Please send me a message or leave a comment below. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing, clicking the like button. My name is Masudi, but allow me to finish up by giving you 3 quick examples. Example 1. Think of it this way. Google Podcast platform is a form of digital marketing. The podcast on the Apple platform are a form of digital marketing. The content or the actual show that you listen to on either platform is an example of content marketing. Now, example 2. If you visit a new site, like say CNN or Fox News or the website, that is a form of digital marketing or a digital marketing platform. The blogs or the articles or the news clips are in fact content or content marketing. Now, the final example, YouTube is a digital marketing platform. The videos themselves that you upload or that you look at and listen to for information are a form of content marketing. Now, does digital marketing work? Traditional marketing, too, is still very viable, but so is digital marketing. And it's become increasingly popular. So let me tell you a quick digital marketing story. Part of digital marketing is keywords and internet search and so forth. Remember when I defined digital marketing and told you that digital marketing is the act of using the internet to bring awareness of goods and services to individuals, to, bring awareness to organizations and businesses, to influence them to a call to action or to do something. Now, let me tell you this quick story. There's the animal shelter, which, as you know, you go to animal shelters to adopt animals. However, this particular animal shelter, we're not getting any traction. Not the kind of traction they wanted, right? They had plenty of pets, but no adopters, or not enough adopters. So they changed their digital marketing strategy. They changed the name of the pet store or the adoption place, the adoption shelter, to Dallas Pets Alive. Next, after they renamed the shelter, they renamed the animals after the most searched and trending topics to increase their chances of adoption. These animals were being named things like Obamacare, Kim Kardashian. This digital marketing campaign grew traffic to their website, increased by 98%, and increased adoptions on a year-to-year basis by 200%. So, Here's an example to show you that digital marketing campaigns do work. Now, I hope this makes sense to you. Again, if you have any questions, please let me know.